5 ways to remember Mandarin tones. Listen for tones, use the tones, correct yourself, use colors, and memory palaces. Number 1, listen and pay attention to tones. When you learn a new word, always learn with audio. Listen to the audio repeatedly and pay attention to the tones. If you use a textbook, the textbook usually comes with audio. Download the audio to your phone, listen to them repeatedly while you walk, do your dishes, etc. This way you can be exposed to the same word repeatedly. And if you use our online video courses, the videos can be downloaded so that you can download them to your phone, listen to them repeatedly until you're fully familiar with them. Number 2, use the right tones from day one. A lot of students tend to not pay attention to the tones when they first speak, and that can cause a lot of problems later on. If you're not sure which tone to use, it's best to look up a dictionary as soon as you can. Number 3, correct yourself. For this purpose, Speechling is great. It's a service that allows you to record anything you like and have your recording checked by a native speaker. After you upload, you'll get a feedback within 24 hours. A native speaker will demonstrate to you how exactly to pronounce the words. If your tones are off, he or she will tell you exactly which tones are off. Number 4, use color mnemonics. For example, Pleco uses this color scheme. First tone red, second tone green, third tone blue, fourth tone violet, and neutral tone gray. For example, when you look up the word 手机, meaning cell phone, 手 is colored in blue, meaning it's a third tone, and 机 is colored in red, meaning it's a first tone. Seeing words color-coded like this helps some people to remember the tones better. And finally, number 5, memory palace. Let's say that you want to remember the tones for these 12 characters. Imagine yourself in the very high and very flat place. For example, the Tibetan Plateau. The altitude is very high, the air is very thin, and the terrain very flat. This place represents the high flat tone. Now imagine that flowers are blooming everywhere. Hua is flower, hua, it's a first tone, hua. Now imagine that there's a big house. Somebody's living in this house. This is his home. 家, 家, 家 means home, and it's a high flat tone. Now imagine there's a big vehicle. 车, 车, that means vehicle. It's a high flat tone as well. 车. Maybe the 车 is smashing into the 家, and the flower petals are flying everywhere. So keep this mental image in mind. Now let's move on to the second place. It's an aircraft. It's rising in altitude. This environment represents the rising tone, the second tone. Imagine that everyone on the plane are very busy working on their laptops. They're busy, 忙, 忙. It's a second tone character meaning busy, 忙. Now imagine that there are clocks hanging everywhere. The word for time is 时, 时, second tone, 时. And imagine that somehow they managed to fit a big bed in the middle of the aircraft. The word for bed is 床, 床, second tone. So 忙, 时, 床 are all second tone because they're in this aircraft rising in altitude. Now imagine that you're underwater. This place is very low and it represents the third or low tone. Now imagine that somehow green grass is growing everywhere in the seabed. The word for grass is 草, 草, it's a third tone, 草. The word for to run is 跑, 跑 is a third tone, 跑. Imagine that there's a woman somehow running underwater, 跑. The word for milk is 奶, 奶. Now imagine that there's a big carton of milk at the bottom of the ocean. Just imagine that the milk is somehow flowing out of the carton and blending with the water. 奶. So keep this environment in mind as well. Now imagine that you're in Niagara Falls. This is Niagara Falls, so it represents the falling or the fourth tone. Now picture a person who's very ill under the water. 病 means sickness. 病, 病. Perhaps he's sick because of the water. Then imagine a big capsule that's being hit by the water. The word for medicine is 药, 药. It's also a falling tone, 药. And the word for tree is 树, 树. Imagine a big tree growing in the water and the leaves are being hit by the falls. Again, in review, high flat place, the car 车, the home 家, and the flowers 花. In the rising aircraft, time 时, bed 床, and busy 忙. Underwater, we have to run, 跑, grass, 草, and milk, 奶. And finally, Niagara Falls, 病, to be sick, 药, medicine, and 树, tree. So, bed, which tone? Where was the bed? Yeah, on the aircraft, and the aircraft was rising, so it's the rising second tone, 床. And the word for home is which tone? Where was the home? Yeah, it's in the plane. It's a high plane. It's the first tone, right? 家. How about flower? That's right. 花, milk. Right. 奶. Time. Right. 时. Busy. 忙. Car. 车. That's right. Medicine. 药. That's right. And to run is 跑. That's right. And grass. 草. That's right. Tree. 树. That's right. And finally, illness, disease. 病. That's right. As you can see, memory palaces do work. However, they do require a lot of time, and some words are too abstract to visualize, so they pose a lot of challenges. Use it as a last resort. Again, here are the 5 ways to remember Mandarin tones. Listen to the tones repeatedly, pay attention, use the tones, correct yourself with SpeechLink, use color mnemonics, and use memory palaces as a last resort. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click like as well as subscribe to this channel, as well as comment below and tell me what other content you would like to see next. And if you're interested, you can browse our paid courses as well. I'll see you in the next video.